Do you know? Vande Mataram is taken from which book? When did Jallianwala Bagh massacre happen? Who gave the slogan Simon Go Back? When did Quit India movement start? Where did Subhas Bose form Azad Hind Fauj? Watch this Indian history and freedom movement video carefully from the beginning to the end so that any of your competitive exams will be easy. When did the East India Company come to India? 1498, 1600, 1757. Correct answer is 1600. Where did the 1857 revolt start? Meerut, Delhi, Kanpur. Correct answer is Meerut. Who was the leader of the 1857 revolt? Nana Sahib, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Correct answer is Bahadur Shah Zafar. What was the main cause of the Sepoy Mutiny? Tax policy, religious insult, military pay. Correct answer is religious insult. When was the Indian National Congress (INC) founded? 1880, 1885, 1890. Correct answer is 1885. Where was the first INC session held? Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta. Correct answer is Bombay. When did the partition of Bengal happen? 1901, 1905, 1911. Correct answer is 1905. When was the partition of Bengal cancelled? 1909, 1911, 1915. Correct answer is 1911. Vande Mataram is taken from which book? Geetanjali, Anandamath, Durgesh Nandini. Correct answer is Anandamath. Who led the Home Rule movement? Gandhi ji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Subhas Bose. Correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The Lucknow Pact, 1916, was between whom? Congress British, Congress Muslim League, Congress Gandhi. Correct answer is Congress Muslim League. When did Gandhi return to India? 1900, 1910, 1915. Correct answer is 1915. Champaran movement was against what? Jallianwala massacre, indigo farming, taxes. Correct answer is indigo farming. Rowlatt Act, 1919, aimed at whom? Rebels, newspapers, students. Correct answer is rebels. When did Jallianwala Bagh massacre happen? 1918, 1919, 1920. Correct answer is 1919. When did non-cooperation movement start? 1919, 1920, 1921. Correct answer is 1920. Which movement ended after Chauri Chaura incident? Non-cooperation, Swaraj, Simon boycott. Correct answer is non-cooperation. When did Simon Commission come to India? 1927, 1928, 1930. Correct answer is 1928. Who gave the slogan Simon Go Back? Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhas Bose. Correct answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. When was Purna Swaraj declared? 1928, 1929, 1930. Correct answer is 1929. When did Dandi March start? 1930, 1931, 1932. Correct answer is 1930. Gandhi-Irwin Pact signed in 1929, 1931, 1933. Correct answer is 1931. When did Quit India movement start? 1940, 1941, 1942. Correct answer is 1942. Where did Subhas Bose form Azad Hind Fauj? Japan, Singapore, Burma. Correct answer is Singapore. Where did Subhas Bose get the title Netaji? Germany, Singapore, Japan. Correct answer is Germany. Who was the viceroy during Quit India movement? Linlithgow, Wavell, Irwin. Correct answer is Lord Linlithgow. When was India divided? 1945, 1946, 1947. Correct answer is 1947. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Gandhi ji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first president of India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, Radha Krishnan. Correct answer is Rajendra Prasad. Who founded the Brahmo Samaj? Ram Mohan Roy, Vivekanand, Dayanand Saraswati. Correct answer is Ram Mohan Roy. Who founded Arya Samaj? Ram Mohan Roy, Dayanand Saraswati. Tilak. Correct answer is Dayanand Saraswati. Who started the Ramakrishna Mission? Tagore, Gandhi, Vivekanand. Correct answer is Swami Vivekanand. Who started the Aligarh movement? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Maulana Azad. Iqbal. Correct answer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Which act ended East India Company rule? Regulating Act, Pitt's India Act, Government of India Act, 1858. Correct answer is Government of India Act, 1858. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse? Wellesley, Dalhousie, Curzon. Correct answer is Lord Dalhousie. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Curzon, Mountbatten, Canning. Correct answer is Lord Canning. Who gave the slogan, Swaraj is my birthright? Gandhi, Tilak, Nehru. Correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who started the newspaper Kesari? Gandhi, Tilak, Bose. Correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who founded the Indian National Army? INA, Gandhi, Nehru, Bose. Correct answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Who formed the forward bloc? Gandhi, Nehru, Bose. Correct answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Who wrote India Wins Freedom? Gandhi, Maulana Azad, Nehru. Correct answer is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Who wrote Discovery of India? Gandhi, Nehru, Tagore. Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who gave the slogan Inquilab Jindabad? Bhagat Singh, Bose, Tilak. Correct answer is Bhagat Singh. Who was known as the Iron Man of India? Nehru, Patel, Bose. Correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. When was the Indian National Army trial held? 1944, 1945, 1946. Correct answer is 1945. Who was the last British Viceroy of India? Linlithgow, Irwin, Mountbatten. Correct answer is Lord Mountbatten. When was the Indian Independence Act passed? 1945, 1946, 1947. Correct answer is 1947. Who designed the Indian national flag? Tagore, Pingali Venkaiah, Nehru. Correct answer is Pingali Venkaiah. Who said, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom"? Tilak, Bose, Gandhi. Correct answer is Subhash Chandra Bose.